Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we practice English together in a calm, friendly, and natural way. And if this is your first time here, I'm Anna, and I'm really happy you decided to spend a few minutes learning with us today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Tom, and it's great to have you here, whether you're listening while relaxing at home, traveling, or taking a short break in your day.
Before we jump into today's conversation, we just want to gently invite you to subscribe to our channel because we share regular English conversations like this that help you improve listening, speaking, and confidence step by step.
Subscribing means you'll never miss a new episode, and you can learn English naturally through real topics and easy conversations.
Today's topic is fun, colorful, and full of excitement.
Yes, today let's talk about New Year fireworks.
For many people, fireworks are one of the most exciting parts of New Year celebrations.
They usually appear right at the moment when the old year ends and the new year begins.
People gather together in streets, parks, or open spaces to wait for that special moment.
As the sky becomes darker, the atmosphere becomes quieter, and everyone starts paying attention.
You can feel the excitement growing as people look at their watches or phones.
Then the countdown begins, and everyone counts together out loud.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and hearts start beating faster.
When the clock hits midnight, the first firework explodes in the sky.
Bright colors suddenly fill the darkness.
Red, gold, blue, green, and purple lights spread across the sky.
The sound is loud and powerful, but also exciting.
People cheer, clap, and shout Happy New Year with big smiles.
Some people hug their family members or friends.
Others raise their phones to record the moment.
Children often jump with excitement because the fireworks look like magic.
Adults smile too, even if they pretend to be calm.
Fireworks can be small and quiet, or big and very loud.
In big cities, fireworks shows can last for many minutes.
In smaller towns, people might see fireworks from different houses.
No matter the size, fireworks make the new year feel special.
I like how everyone looks up at the sky at the same time.
Yes, for a few moments, people forget their worries and just enjoy the view.
Fireworks also make people think about hope and new beginnings.
Many people make wishes while watching the lights in the sky.
They hope for happiness, health, and good things in the new year.
Even after the fireworks stop, the feeling stays in the air.
That's why New Year fireworks are not just lights and sounds.
They are shared moments that people remember and talk about for a long time.
After the fireworks light up the sky, the excitement doesn't end at midnight. It's still everywhere, in smiles, laughter, and the happy chatter of people around.
Yes, even when the big bursts are over, everyone talks about which fireworks were the brightest or most beautiful.
Some people notice the colors, like red, gold, and blue, while others remember the shapes, like stars, flowers, or long, sparkling lines.
Children are always the most excited. They jump, point, and sometimes even try to copy the sounds of fireworks with their voices.
Adults watch them and smile, enjoying both the fireworks and the children's reactions.
Many people walk together after the fireworks, sharing stories about the year that just ended.
Others head to small gatherings, cafes, or street food stalls to continue celebrating and enjoy something warm.
Hot drinks and snacks really make the night feel cozy, don't they?
Absolutely, and sharing food with family or friends makes everything feel more special.
I also noticed that people start thinking about their hopes and plans for the new year.
Yes, they naturally start talking about dreams, goals, and wishes, like learning something new, traveling, or spending more time with family.
Fireworks really create that sense of a fresh start, a symbolic way of saying goodbye to the old year.
I love how even strangers feel connected in those moments.
Exactly. Everyone looks at the same sky, cheers together, and exchanges Happy New Year.
People sometimes hug, take selfies, or just smile at each other, and that connection is magical.
Some families stay outside for a while, watching smaller fireworks and enjoying music, lights, and the festive atmosphere.
Others record videos or take photos, even if they are blurry, because the memory feels perfect.
Friends often compare who saw the brightest firework or the most colorful one.
And kids love telling their parents which one they liked the most.
Fireworks also spark conversations about past experiences, like last year's New Year's celebrations.
People recall funny moments, special gifts, or trips they enjoyed during the year.
Some even share little personal achievements that make them proud.
That's why fireworks are more than just lights. They inspire sharing, joy, and connection.
You can also see people making quick games or challenges while waiting for the next fireworks.
Like guessing the color of the next firework or counting how many bursts appear in a minute.
It's fun, even for adults, and keeps the excitement going.
Some people even write small wishes on paper or make short messages while watching the sky.
Yes, and they show these to friends or keep them for themselves as little memories.
Fireworks are also a great time to reflect quietly.
Some people just sit or stand silently, thinking about the year that passed and what they want in the new year.
The bright lights in the dark sky give a sense of hope, almost like anything is possible.
And that hope is what makes the night unforgettable for everyone.
Even after the fireworks end, the feeling of happiness, togetherness, and excitement stays for hours.
People keep talking, laughing, and sharing stories about what they saw, which keeps the magic alive.
That's the real beauty of New Year fireworks. They last far longer in memory than in the sky.
And they remind everyone that the new year is a fresh start, full of possibilities, joy, and connection.
I think that's why people always look forward to fireworks every year, no matter how many times they've seen them.
One of my favorite things about New Year fireworks is what happens after the main display ends. Even when the big bursts are over, the night still feels alive.
That's true. Families often return home and continue the excitement in small ways.
Children talk endlessly about the fireworks they liked best, the biggest ones, the ones that made the loudest sound, or the colors they thought were magical.
And adults often share memories from the past year, laughing at funny moments or talking about challenges they overcame.
Some families have little traditions, like making toasts, eating a special snack, or even playing a short game together to welcome the new year.
Those small moments make the new year feel personal and meaningful, not just about big fireworks in the sky.
Friends often continue celebrating by walking through streets still bright with lights, taking selfies, and talking about the evening's highlights.
Children run around with sparklers, carefully supervised by their parents, and it's fun to watch their excitement.
Couples sometimes hold hands and exchange quiet Happy New Year wishes, taking a moment to feel connected before joining the celebrations again.
Some people stay outside to watch smaller fireworks from nearby neighborhoods or rooftops, creating a feeling that the celebration never really ends.
Others go home and watch videos or photos of the fireworks they missed, sharing excitement online with friends who couldn't be there.
Even simple acts like laughing at the funny shapes of fireworks or guessing the next color make people feel joyful and playful.
Families also often take a moment to reflect quietly, thinking about what they want to achieve or experience in the new year.
Some write short notes or diary entries about the day, their wishes, or their favorite moments from the fireworks.
Friends sometimes make little bets, like who will spot the next bright burst first, or count how many fireworks appear in a minute.
And laughter fills the night as everyone participates, adding to the energy of the evening.
People who stayed home still feel part of the celebration by watching videos or sharing stories with friends and family.
Some even cook something special, watch a favorite movie, or just enjoy a quiet moment together, keeping the New Year spirit alive.
Fireworks inspire people in so many ways. They connect families, friends, and even strangers through shared moments of light, sound, and excitement.
It's amazing how just a few minutes of fireworks can create memories that last a lifetime.
And the emotions, joy, surprise, hope, and togetherness stay long after the sky goes dark.
I love how children keep talking about fireworks for hours, retelling stories to each other and asking their parents questions about how the fireworks worked.
Parents sometimes explain carefully, and other times they just watch quietly, enjoying the curiosity and excitement of the children.
Friends often joke about the loudest or the smallest fireworks, making playful competitions out of who noticed the most details.
Some families even make small games, like guessing the next firework color or creating funny stories about what the shapes looked like.
People feel connected in these little ways, sharing laughter and creating special memories that go beyond the fireworks themselves.
And then there are quiet moments when people just look at the sky, feeling calm and hopeful for the year ahead.
Those moments are powerful because they mix reflection with excitement, helping people feel ready for a fresh start.
Even after the night ends, people talk about the fireworks days later, recalling their favorite colors, the sounds, or the way the sky looked.
The memories stay with them, reminding everyone that New Year fireworks are not just a show, they are an experience full of emotion, togetherness, and hope.
Exactly. That's why every year, no matter how many times people see fireworks, it always feels magical and worth celebrating.
As the night winds down, the magic of New Year fireworks still lingers everywhere, and you can feel excitement, hope, and calm all at once.
Absolutely. Even after the last big explosion, the sky feels alive in people's memories and smiles.
Families often sit together afterward, sharing stories about the fireworks they loved most, laughing at little funny moments, and feeling grateful for being together.
Friends also talk about their favorite bursts, comparing colors and shapes, and sometimes joking about who had the best view.
Children keep retelling their favorite explosions, and their excitement spreads to everyone, reminding us how magical these moments can feel.
Couples often share quiet moments, holding hands or making small wishes for the new year, enjoying the calm after the excitement.
And some families play little games, like guessing the next color or imagining what shapes the fireworks made in the sky.
Even simple snacks or warm drinks after the fireworks make the night feel cozy and special.
I love how fireworks mix celebration with reflection. People enjoy the moment while also thinking about the past year and hopes for the next.
Yes, and even those who stayed home feel connected, watching videos, sending messages, or talking with friends and family about the display.
Fireworks inspire people to connect, share joy, and make memories together, big or small.
Some people take a quiet moment to reflect, writing down wishes or goals for the new year while the night sky slowly grows dark again.
And friends often continue joking and laughing, counting sparks or guessing which color will come next, keeping the excitement going.
Children's imagination is amazing too. They see dragons, flowers, rockets, or stars in every firework burst, and adults enjoy watching their creativity.
Even a small sparkler can turn into a fun game, creating memories that last long after the fireworks end.
Families and friends take photos and videos, and even blurry pictures feel perfect because they capture the happiness of the night.
And those memories are shared later, keeping the magic alive through stories, photos, and laughter.
That's why fireworks are not just lights in the sky, they are experiences full of joy, hope, and togetherness.
Before we finish, we want to remind you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Subscribing gives you regular English conversations, fun stories, and practical tips to improve your skills every day.
Yes, by subscribing, you join our learning community, stay motivated, and never miss episodes filled with interesting topics, activities, and real-life English practice.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today, enjoying New Year fireworks through our conversation.
Keep practicing, enjoy every moment, and remember that every experience is a chance to learn and grow in English.
Happy New Year, everyone. Make new memories, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode with more fun stories and English practice.
Celebrate not just fireworks in the sky, but every small spark of joy and learning in your life.
Keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep cherishing every little moment.